One of the big challenges you have in Excel is if you have large volumes of data, let's say a few hundred cells of data, even a couple of million rows of data, one of the problems is trying to find specific values within there. So Excel gives you all these different functions to try and find what you're looking for. So in this case here, we want to find the average of each of the values of this data set. So to find the average, all we simply do is go equals average, round brackets, and then all we do is give our range that we want to average. So in this case, we simply go B3 colon B11, close the brackets. So it's always important you open and you close the brackets, hit enter, and it then tells us that the average value in this set is 21.666 and so forth. Now, if we were to change any of the values, so let's say value 3 changed, or value B3 changed to, let's say, 32, you can see that that then reflects within the average down here. So it's changed to 23.88. So again, these are all advantages of using Excel and using the functions.